In this tutorial, we'll look at formatting systems and pages in Sibelius. Everything can be found in the Layout tab of the ribbon. With default settings, Sibelius will automatically break up systems as the score is updated. However, you may want to customize the formatting to keep phrases together, avoid awkward page turns, or for some custom formatting to expressively emphasize something in the music. To create a system break, select the bar line that you'd like to be the end of a system, and hit the System Break button in the ribbon. Now you'll see this little blue icon that indicates a system break was added there, and everything after that bar was moved to the next system. Similarly, you can use the page break icon. So we'll select a bar line that we would like to be the end of a page, hit page break, and everything after that bar is now on the next page, and you can also see this icon. Another way to do this is to use the Make Into System icon in the ribbon. So here we can select a group of bars that we would like to be in a single system. Notice that I'm going across page and system breaks, and then we'll hit that button, and all of those bars are now grouped together in a single system. So what this does is it adds a break before and after the bars that I selected, and it also adds this icon, which means that all of these bars will be kept together no matter what. So they'll be kept together even if Sibelius needs to awkwardly squeeze too many bars into the same system. So, let's try it now with all the bars we've created so far. Make Into System. So you can see that these are really squeezed together against Sibelius's auto formatting algorithm, but it will do it if you tell it to. We can also use this button that says Make Into Page. So let's select a bunch of bars. We're going to hit Make Into Page, and the bars that we selected now were made into its own distinct page. So the way that works is it creates a page break at the beginning and the end. So everything before and after is on their own pages, and it makes sure that everything we selected will stay on the same page. Next formatting thing, we'll get into something a little bit different, is to split a system. This will be useful if you're making a coda or something like that. So let's say we want these last three bars to be the coda of a piece. We're going to select this bar line, and we're going to hit right here where it says Split System. Now you can see that little icon, so we can add text for coda here. Next thing we can take a look at is show multi-rests. So if you're working on a piece of music with long stretches of bars that are full measure rests, you can turn on show multi-rests and it will group them as such. This could save you a lot of space. I just removed some of the formatting things. So now when we hit show multi-rests, everything goes together. If you want to create special groups of multi-rests to indicate sections of the piece, there's a couple ways to do that. First of all, multi-rests will automatically form around rehearsal marks. So we'll throw in some random rehearsal marks. And then when we go back to layout and hit show multi-rests, it's creating groups of multi-rests between each rehearsal mark. So that's one useful way to do it. Now we'll clear those out. Another thing you can do is use the split multi-rest setting. So let's say we want these bars to be the first multi-rest. I'm going to select them and hit split multi-rest. Then let's say we want the next 4 bars to be the next multi-rest, and then from here to the end can be a third. Now, when we turn show multi-rest back on, we've got that group of 10, group of 4, and group of 36. So even without rehearsal marks, you can customize how the multi-rests are grouped. So hopefully this was useful for you to customize the formatting of your scores. Thanks.